Balancing comfort and trying to save energy can be difficult. You can control the temperature of your home, but not all rooms are equal. And people move around. The T9 Smart Thermostat can help. With its smart room sensors that have a super long range, you can prioritize the temperature in the rooms that matter the most. The T9 can focus on the rooms you choose to help everyone get a perfect night's sleep. Or you can let the T9 work automatically to focus on the rooms that people are in, so comfort follows you and your family around your home. Thanks to auto home and away scheduling, the T9 knows if you're coming or going. So whatever your schedule may be, your home will be comfortable when you arrive and help save energy when you're away. No matter where you are or where you're going, everything can be controlled via the Honeywell Home app. It doesn't matter if you use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The T9 integrates with many of today's leading smart home brands, and setup is easy. Installation is easy too. The T9 can help configure itself, providing a guided install with the existing wires in your home. Buy the T9 Smart Thermostat and sensors at your local retailer, or visit online to find a professional to do it for you. Say goodbye to too hot or too cold. Welcome to just right comfort control from Honeywell Home.